Jeff Kelderman Trucks. Today we got a 2022 Nexus Rebel RV. This is on the International chassis and it's a four-wheel drive. So if you're not familiar with the CV chassis by International, it's basically a 5500 GM chassis. But I tell you what, this is one of our most popular kits on these four-wheel drives because the ride on them from the factory is terrible. So if you're looking, to enjoy your traveling, you're going to need a Kelderman air ride to enjoy that ride. Not only do we do the suspension on this truck, we also did our front bumper and did some paint work. This is our Delta Series light bumper. We got a 20-inch rigid in the center. We got a pair of 4-inch rigids in the wings. And then we've got some matte black monster hooks. Customer also wanted to get rid of all the chrome on the front. So Ron popped out the grille and the headlights, repainted everything that was chrome, color matched it to the bumper and the hood. So for the front suspension, we throw away the factory leaf springs. We do a 4-link design. It's got a big sway bar on it. It's got a track bar, and what that does is it keeps the axle centered. We run large airbags because this is a heavier vehicle. It's actually the same airbag we run on the back of our 450 pickups. And then we have a pair of Raptor remote resi shocks that are tuned for optimum ride with air suspension. And to keep this coach driving straight down the road, we've got a dual steering stabilizer kit. So our rear suspension is our 4-link design. We run 2 bags on each side. This is a 15,500 pound rear axle. So we run 2 bags on each side that gives us that extra load carrying capacity that we're gonna need for this kind of weight. The other cool thing about running the dual airbags is the way we have them set up on top of the axle and side of the frame, it gives it a lot of stability and it helps when you get in the wind. Another thing that helps when you get in the wind is the big sway bar we've installed. We also run remote resi Raptor shocks on the back of this. The ride is fantastic. The controls on the truck are our 3/8 system. So we got 2 Viair 444 air compressors. We got a dryer on that's going to keep the moisture out when you get in cold weather. We have 2 3-gallon tanks that we make in-house. And that's all mounted under here in the center of the coach along the frame rail. So our control panel for the 3/8 is mounted up here where the storage sunglass case used to be. We got one for the horn and we got one for the purge. So the airlift's really versatile setup. What's nice about this is we get on some uneven terrain. We can lower this down with to where you wouldn't have to use your leveling jacks. So say you're just stopping for at a rest stop real quick. You're only going to be there a half hour or so, and you don't want to go through the process of running your leveling jacks. You can just kind of let some air out here and get her somewhat leveled up. And then now that we've kind of messed with this and change some of the air pressures, when we're ready to go, we just hit the center button here, which is our airlift button, and it levels out and we're ready to hit the road. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate the support. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And most importantly, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. If you're interested in giving your truck the Kelderman edge, give us a ring or email us at info@kelderman.com.